Hi everybody, welcome back. This is part 2 of how to make a shed in Revit. So what you should be starting with is this 3D model of a shed. If you do not have this yet, then make sure you watch part 1 of this tutorial, which is linked below. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my level 1, and I'm going to show you how to put in windows and doors. So let's go up here to our window. And in here, you're going to have a few preloaded options of different windows that you can choose. If you would like to add in more windows, you can go up here to Load Family and check it out there. I'll demo how to do this with the doors in the later part of this tutorial. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and use a fixed window. And I can hover over any one of my walls to place this window. Now you want to make sure that the pane of glass, or that vertical line here, is facing the exterior part of the wall. If it's not facing the exterior part of the wall and it looks something like this, no worries, it's very easy to modify. All you can do is just click on that window, press the space bar, and that will adjust the view. The reason that you want to do this is so that the sill of the window is facing inside of the shed or inside of your project. So to place the door, I'm going to go up here to the door option. And in here, you're going to have a few loaded doors possibly. But if you're not happy with any of these options, you're going to go up here to Load Family. And you will see something that looks like this, Libraries. And I'm going to use the Imperial. Scroll down to Doors. And then you're going to have a variety of doors in here. I have found that the better options for exterior doors, which is what I'm looking for, is in the Commercial folder. So I can go ahead and select whatever door I'd like. Say Open, say OK, after selecting which sizes you want. And I can go ahead and place that on my shed as well. If you would like to flip the swing of this door, you can simply select the component, press the space bar, and it will adjust the swing inside or outside. And that makes it pretty easy to adjust. Same thing with the placement of the door. You can go ahead and type in your manual entry. So let's say I want this 6 feet equidistant from either side. That will also update for you. So at this point, if you want to see your final creation, you can go to your 3D view of your shed, and you're going to see that I have my 2 windows and my door. In part 3, I'm going to show you how to make a siding material for the exterior walls. Thanks.